Hey friends, thanks once again for tuning into the TCS Digital Connect. We hope you're finding our podcast series useful and informative.
Welcome to a very special series of TCS Digital Connect, a career series where we bring to you conversation with TCS trainees, campus teams who will share their experiences, tips, and hacks to help you prepare for the campus hiring season. As you all know, TCS NQT is announced biggest hiring event of the year. Students would be gearing up for placements. All of them would like to start their careers, and systematic preparation is required to reach your destination. So we are here to help you on your journey. So for that, we have Mr. Abhishek Sharma with us to tell his journey when he was a student like you. He's here to share his experience with students in the audience who all look for a mentor in the placement season. He joined TCS last year. He got placed through TNQT. He's working as assistant system engineer in one of the leading BFS clients. So taking forward our discussion, I welcome Abhishek for this podcast. Welcome, Abhishek.
So thank you, Nishant. Hello, everyone. My name is Abhishek Sharma. So I am pass out from Quantum School of Technology and completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. And now it's been more than 1 year to be a part of TCS.
So taking forward our discussion, Abhishek, a lot has happened over the course of a year, but we want you to talk about your journey when you started preparing for your career. Let the audience know how did you prepare for the placements and what sort of a mindset you had at that time.
Yes, Nishant. So I started my placement preparation from seventh semester of my engineering, and in TCS NQT, there were four parts. So first part was quantitative aptitude, and I prepared for quant from a quantitative aptitude book by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. And the second portion, second part in the NQT was the English portion. So for the English, I prepared through some various online resources. Like there are some YouTube channels also, like fresherworlds.com and some other websites also. And the third portion was programming concepts. So for programming concept, I go through my syllabus books of engineering and my notes, which I have prepared in my semesters. So the questions from the programming concepts were from database and like from operating system and computer networks also. So these were some basic questions. So I have prepared from my notes and the books which I have read throughout my engineering. And there were one more portion, portion, that was coding questions. So the coding questions were like to write a program for palindrome and to reverse a string. So these were some basic questions. So for coding, I have prepared through online websites like Geeks for Geeks, W3 School, and there are many more. So about my mindset was quite clear throughout my engineering that I have to grab an offer from a reputed organization, or I have to join an MNC. So now I have been placed in TCS. I am quite happy about that.
Good to know that you had a very clear mindset that you wanted to join a reputed organization. So you joined TCS 1 year ago. Just take us through your journey of transformation from an engineering student to an IT professional. What changes has it brought in you on personal and professional level?
Okay, so I joined TCS 1 year ago, and I was a normal college student that time, like all. But after joining TCS, I go through my ILP trainings that were very good, and there I was groomed in technical as well as some professional courses and in some business courses also, so that I will be prepared for the corporate sector. So my personal life also has changed after that. Now I am focused towards my career and my goals, and now I am enjoying life being an IT professional. So it's been changed a lot from a student to IT professional.
So great to know that you have changed a lot and TCS has been a part of your journey in bringing a good change in your personal and professional level. So coming to your selection process, you got placed through TCS NQT. So what did you enjoy the most about your selection process in TCS?
Yes, so I selected through TCS NQT, and the whole selection process was excellent. But my interview process was very interesting and it was very good because my interviewers were very friendly and they helped me throughout my interview. And it was like a discussion about my technical knowledge and my behavior and all these things. So interview process was very good.
So while giving your interview, so were you nervous before the interview? If yes, then how did you calm yourself at that time? And if no, how did you train yourself not to be nervous?
Yes, obviously I was nervous before the interview. Just I take a deep breath when they call my name and I entered in the room. But the interviewer were very good. They helped me a lot to be calm for the interview. So it was a quite very good experience.
So great to know that you got good interviewers and they helped you in your interview process in uh, to be in helping you in calming yourself, okay, before giving the interview. So any advice for students who would be hustling up for placements, how they should do the preparation for the test and interview? Any advice would you like to give them?
So my advice for the students is to prepare your basic concepts for aptitude and for technical portion also. Just go through your engineering books and go through various online resources available on the internet and just prepare well for that technical portion and your basic concepts. And one more thing, just practice some coding questions also. There are lots of websites where you can practice this, online resources available. And one more thing, just be confident what you have written in your resume and explain your projects in very well manner and prepare your domain fundamental concepts specifically. They will be asked about your domain from which you belong.
So thanks, Abhishek, for the tips you have given for the students. As you know, that face-to-face process has been taken over by a digital interview process nowadays because of the current situation. So, any advice would you like to give to the students on preparing for online or video interview process?
Yes, nowadays this pandemic has changed all the way for all these things. So in our time, it was face-to-face interview, but now this is online interview process. So just be ready 30 minutes before your interview schedule and be formally dressed up. Just be groomed very well and check there should not be any noise in the room and the lighting should be proper so that your interview will go smooth. And check the internet connectivity also. There should it's your internet connectivity should be good for interview so that there would not be any problem. So just check all these things before your interview.
So thanks, Abhishek, for giving such valuable advice to the students who would be preparing for placements. I guess your advice definitely they will get benefit from your advice and they will come out with flying colors. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, Nishan.
Thank you, friends, for tuning into the TCS Digital Connect. Eager for the next episode? Well, stay safe and stay connected at Campus Commune for more.